She's a 3-time Olympic medal winner in beach volleyball. April Ross has achieved what every athlete dreams of by being the best in the world. And how she got there? The world champ takes it back to where it all started and also shares how to achieve new dreams after you've already reached the pinnacle.
Porsche is an icon of dream achievement. We're here with 3 powerful women that have achieved their own dreams. They're gonna tell us how they did it, what's next, and then get behind the wheel and see what they can do on the track. When did you start dreaming of more for volleyball?
For me, it's been step by step. I would say it wasn't until like the end of my sophomore year, maybe even my junior year, when I started getting letters from colleges.
In high school?
In high school. And then I trained with the indoor national team over the summers when I was at USC. I didn't let myself dream of professional or the Olympics until I was actually out of college and I found beach volleyball and started to have some success there. Then I was like, Olympics might be in the cards for me.
What were those things that you developed as a kid that helped you compete today?
I had really tough coaches, and it was tough to handle at times, but it awoke something in me like, I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna prove to you that I am good enough, that I can do this. I wanna strive for perfection, and that's gonna make me the best that I can possibly be. It's gonna be tough and it's gonna be frustrating, but it's gonna drive me.
So with 4 years in between major competitions in volleyball, and I know that there's a number of tournaments and things like that, like how do you stay motivated?
I've learned that little wins every day are so important. The longer you can work, the better you're gonna be. But I've always had this drive to be my personal best. Having gone to the Olympics in 2012 and getting the silver medal, that was something that was unlocked in me too. You know, like, oh my gosh, this is possible. Like, now I want the gold medal. Going to my 3rd Olympics at 39, that's like not when you are like, this is the one I'm gonna win. I was in complete disbelief. I have accomplished everything in my career that I set out to do, and that's just a crazy feeling.
What is that legacy that you aim at leaving behind?
I want to inspire younger girls to see that being a professional athlete is an amazing way of life. Your heart has to be in it because you're not gonna be able to work as hard as you need to if you don't love what you're doing. And I want people to remember the grind, the shortcomings, and the challenges that I had to overcome to get where I have gotten.
Honestly, my daughter and I sat around the television and you were the Olympic sports that we watched. And it was amazing to see you reach that goal. So
thank you
so much.
No, thank you.